All right, so boys and girls, I hope you answered these questions on your own. We're going to look over them now, and I'm going to help you find some pages to where the answers are. So why is it hard for Laura to climb the stairs in Pepin? Now, if you will look on page 167, and if you will go down almost to the bottom of the page, not quite the bottom, where it talks about there was a wide platform. It goes on to describe what's going on with Laura, and it kind of helps you understand why it would be hard for her to climb the stairs. It says Laura's heart was beating so fast that she could hardly climb the steps. She was trembling all over. All right. Now look at number 2. How does the storekeeper know Pa? Look down a little further, 167, the very last paragraph, the first sentence. This was the store to which Pa, see what it says, and you answer it in a complete sentence. Number 3, which of the following is not sold in the store? We heard about all kind of things, but there's one thing that was not there. Boys and girls, back then in those stores, most times it was the essential things that you would find. All right, look at number 4. What does the storekeeper give Mary and Laura when they leave the store? So turn over to, let's see here, page 171. Middle of the paragraph, it says, when all the trading was done, right here in the middle of the page. What is it that the storekeeper gives each of the girls? Now, what is a reason it may have been hard for Laura to say thank you? Her mouth was so full of candy she could not speak. She didn't have good manners. She was so surprised and happy she could not speak. Or she was busy looking at bolts and bolts of calico. What do you think? Number 6, what is printed on Laura's piece of candy? Remember, Mary's had a lot printed, but Laura's said only what? Look on page 172. Laura's candy said, and put your answer. Number 7, why does Laura's pocket rip? Now look at the bottom of page 173, that very last sentence. Read it to the top of page 174. And so that makes sense. It goes right into number 8. Why does Pa say that Laura was greedy? So think about that. Why does Pa say that she was greedy? And if you look on page 175, you will find the answer to that in the about the 3rd paragraph. Pa laughed at her, and you can finish that sentence and make sure that your answers are correct. Well, boys and girls, I hope you have a long, restful weekend. I sure do miss you, and I love you, and I'm praying for you, and I love you guys to pieces.